Plus, and I am so excited to be here with you. I want to just drop in here really, really briefly. I promise to be very brief and share with you guys a quick deduction that some of you may forget, okay? So as we get closer to tax season, I want to make sure that this is on your mind. This is fresh on your mind to make sure that you are pulling out those receipts, having a conversation with your accountant. If you don't have an accountant, then definitely let's have a conversation as well. But that deduction is subscriptions and software, okay? So the first thing you probably think about is, your Zoom, your Pandora, all those things that you pay on a monthly basis. Some of those things you probably pay, you're not even aware of how much you're spending at the end of the year on those subscriptions. So if they are business related, keep in mind, this is a tax deduction. So I want you to take a look at your bank statements and all those different subscriptions that you're using that's business related. Make sure that you're taking into account that information and that you're filing this as a business deduction. So subscriptions and service. So I wanted to mention to you guys, if you purchase YouTube, when I say those monthly subscription fees, if it's business related, keep that in mind. I just got a list of things here. Netflix. A lot of my clients I know either have Netflix for their clients to watch while they're at the salon. Your business cards, such as like your business Sam's. I use Sam's. I think Costco's and different things like that. Those annual or monthly subscription that you pay, guys. These are subscription fees. Make sure that you're using this as a deduction. Business magazines. And I know we don't do a lot of magazines these days, but for those that do, if your business have a online or digital or paper version of a business magazine, make sure that you're using those expenses, those deductions. That can help to decrease the amount of money that you could possibly owe or increase the amount of money that you could receive. So very, very important that you keep that in mind. So I want you to think about all your softwares, PayPal, Zoom, if you use things such as, Vagaro and so many different things, StyleSeat. These are subscriptions that you're paying on a monthly basis, some of them even weekly basis. So keep in mind that you can write this off as a deduction. CRM services, if you use that, QuickBooks subscriptions, and QuickBooks can get very costly. So keep in mind, guys, I want you to make sure that you're using all your subscription and your services to write off as a deduction. Again, we want to increase your refund or decrease your liability, meaning that you don't owe as much as you would have if you didn't use this deduction. Again, this is Marsha Mayfield, owner of Financial Services Plus, and I do hope that I have shared some information with you that will support you in your tax in your business.